Gonna put some nice comb on there. And I got the branding iron from a company, I think it's called Longview Cattle Branding Ranch in Texas. Absolutely great to deal with. I think it cost me about maybe $200, but nothing in the scope of things when you're just branding all these hive boxes. Everyone knows where they come from. Because, you know, some people here have some sticky fingers, like to nick a few things. All right, so that's done. Let's go talk to Mick. All right, so I got it up, your bait box, on you go.
Well, Alistair, your bait box looks lovely. You being the Queen Bee of Vancouver, Washington, US of A. Is it going to stay up, do you think?
Don't know.
Well, let's see if we get some bees